with the draw, pistol Pete with the rap stuff. Play a beat with the mic, let me hear the gat buck. To the top, let the sky fall on my face. When I'm buried, they'll appreciate what I say. Nowadays, they wanna hear a little something else. I'm Santa Claus, big sack, they just little elves. I'm 6'4", I target the opposition. Got a freestyle nasty, my written, I'll cost them digits. Straight spitting, my position always winning. Spend a lot of time sinning, trying to stop the devil's grinning. Every day I wake, mind racing, music making. Man, I'm used to waiting, paid dues for station. Now I'm full speed, never looking back at me. I got a rap degree, they just my faculty. School's in session, take some notes, now it's time to teach. Mike Luke, straight laced and anabolic beats. Yo, quick with the draw, straight spitters. Fuck you and you. I don't like the things you do, I don't like you. So fuck you and you. I don't like the things you do, I don't like you. I thought I told you clear the path, time to make some room. I'm trying to get this money, chilling by the lake in June. They making bread off the bullshit, you people buy it. I'm spitting facts, no caps, bitch, I wouldn't try it. I've been the one with the words got harmony, I rock the flow. Now let me see you ladies get it low like Jacques Cousteau. I've been the baddest, boy, I let them know. I should've blown up 10 fucking years ago. So fuck you and you. Oh wait, hold on, fuck you too. You motherfuckers saying nothing but you getting buckets. So I'ma do like Wu-Tang, bring the fucking ruckus. I'm sick and tired, not inspired by the things you do or the things you say, motherfucker, who are you? I want them pesos, my Jose Cansecos, them fraud types, I hate those, they soft like they Play-Doh.
Super high.
Like Luke. Get him with this. Yeah, you all on my tip. Check out my drip, spit, know I'm legit. I've been the shit, smelling my stank to the bank with a brick. They just be thinking they something, they frontin'. We all know the listener's nothing. Suffer from knowing hip-hop to the degree of the watered down shit that you bumpin'. I've been a pro now with the flow so cold at the show now. All about dough, no they front, whoa, me never let go now. Straight up and down, merry-go-round and the golden, I'm never gon' fold now. After the buckets like Jimmy, I don't need honeys like Winnie. Sauce like the tartar, thank God to the Father. The further I go, then I see it. The one up above, he believe my dreams be coming with nobody seeing. I am about that boom bap, that rap. I spit facts, know you like that. Now bring it on back, come on. Sick of the ones that be thinking, but really I'm